na mema wakwaba Badwam kase ebre no aso ha eye Adom TV na ye datwedi mpo na seso ahye so ama de pa bi atenyen anopa nsema ye de ba se Badwam kase de mu akotene no assemblies be ye dunson na wo monsa aka 8 million Ghana cedis a wo de be hye na ye gatters ahodo no masiesie mu na ma ensuyire no aba fa be no chi so no people's forum na abeto dwa ese adenta na kromsuo ayiri afanipa ba kwa na hwe ne nkwa ye di mu nkyemu ene ensem ne bi e ka ho ebe ma na ye hyase a na mansi makomako dunso ye no ewo enkramanta bi mu no na empanyifo ahye edi sika 8 million Ghana cedis ni nyina no eye hyehye wodi gu akwan so na ensuyire ya emene omanfo ese omanfo japade no esobete
Sikana ye demand assemblies no afibia no ye de mom se embo omma gota mutete ansana insuo ton brenedru no inti afidie no so ye Ghana sikam no obefa ne se ebe kwa besi be 8 million cedis ani echichema assembly for no na yakọ assemblies ni bi bebre na adisa adwuma ne kra wie ama omuti gotamu ansana nso yire no nso to no hyase kese pa ebi so edo da so a yesanse chese omoye procurement ansana ya fa contractor ba ne dodo na omafa contractors da omutitim ebi awie adwuma na omde ba ya no hunti yem chess kana mom bebre awie sa adwuma no kra nti dia aka ne se yebekoso a monitor se omudi adwuma no ema gota kwan ni mu eda ho se de onim no gota no so omutitim no omutete babia eta eyiri enye gota nyina na sika no sonso babia sonso nti e ka se ne omumma omani mbre babia ya na ho nsuyiri ta aba no nti no de ne dodo na edi sika na di sa adwuma no sika na ye de man assemblies no afibia no ye de mom se embo omumma gota muti
na ukoga west mansini mu aban krache pani eye ora Clement Wilkinson na hse eni sodi hu na mpanyifo edi aba na wo mo ehwe se ensuyire esobeti titiu eni drinks mu asiesi ni kwaso ano no na wo se be kwachire aboa omanfo no
nti edu time ankase ska we na eba no anko mumfanya storm dream sanga wepe ga west pe na mo di be hyase ya se 10 kilometers ya ni aye yesi this year ye wie next year yes I could do na fan ye di kobe bi foforo ni aye onso man panyi kofo ba ya na wo ye alajo saturday ti se ni ye ya o ni etiti gata ni musa but man panyi kofo ba ya na wo ye stone drone no alajo no afa na sha se ebubu nti mko ade a nko mo ye ni sanka be boye de ye no e okay say ye titi gata na nso no ko onse na nse won ti se ga west obi ewu because ye yi gata no kama nti drone de do mase e de be ye adwuma ma won say civil aviation for nso aba me mama warning bi so we be fry kra no so koji permission they are right because drone no betimi di bibi ahyem asoma no akoye ni won koye eti when they are doing that enso emphasize respect in ma civil aviation na yentimi ma omuhu say yenso adwuma no yeye afi mu amugina menje nso mu amotititi akura se no sebi drone du ho a ma mu nso enya mu hwe enye etuo bia na nam wiem ebetima boa ye nyina ma mfaso abaso nti edu time akase
na ebrebe ma kwan na anopa Badwam kase no yede ni nyina ebesi ediya meje so ene abena pokua ahwenie na ye twa ho ye ba ye de bokrata emu amane ene sema online portals ahodo ne de aba no ye de no so ebeto aso dwumadie na oguso a wo hye ha eye Adom TV nyame hya se wodi wafidie no ato hanom na akwasinsia abeka me ho ye behwe de bokrata no mu sema aba ne online portals esema ewo ho na mekoso aka wo se nyame yadoma wo kyena ewo Tea Havana restaurant tema community 9 eye Asempa FM UCL fan day Champions League no Real Madrid na mehwebedie Hala Madrid papa ene Borussia Dortmund na ede bo ani nyambo wo kyena anwumre fitia no pana kwesi anwumre ne de eye ne gie nko a games ahodo oware ludu dame bibie bi ewo ho nti yabra na yemfa ne gie ne hyehye so a kwesi anwumre na yede ebehwe eye finance no na akwasi mache
mejoso
okode
boko na nso
nyame adom sme ho ye
nyame asena story bi adomonline.com PCS towards Israel okay
Say obeba ne fe no JP.
Oh yes.
Say the one say fe we kosinsia JP.
Yes.
Na ba JP no fan kan
we say we no it depend. We say obi an ko Israel nya JP.
Obenya JP. Akwasi. JP de kwa bia so benya na wo ye den na nya JP.
Enyo bia na odru Israel.
Oh, akwasi wo ye den na wonya JP.
The minister for tourism. And the city mayor of Jerusalem. Everyone share certificate as say at the moment. Enyo bia wa ko Israel bia na wo sa certificate.
Ti de na ma wo de na yesronko.
Adom. Adom na deliver.
Hey Adom, and then Adom TV is answering away.
Because we go by the minister we say man you baby and I'm saying sanity.
And you be an benya. Obe me am ko so ade benya. Obi afuma kokwa me am ko tonsu nim na ma.
And it's nice experience that because say we Christo ye gidi ni ya wo gidi o Bible mu dia. Israel is a land you need to visit.
Okay.
Go and walk in the land of the Bible. Na ni king kind of Bible mu no. Na evu sene etie.
Say PSA dey say Adom online e kan. Wo ko video ho. Into dey call adomonline.com sia bia ya omode Yesu free mu no omde na mu no e ko share ya ko wi eche Christopher ho no dey the Bible na omode to anim dey na bai.
Say me ka say na me share one of the videos ni bi na ba could be announce dey.
That's what we say what.
Whatever guy we do it here. Me PSA esta videos ni bi na me ho say baby ana Yesu ta kokoto ebo empire onyina mo say ama fahada
wa fahada na me kase PSA wo hwe to na wo koye na sa wo follow no Instagram ni ade a chese baby obedru bia no okọ River Jordan se ni empire obogo ko hwe comment amen ni ade yakwanya akwasinsia kwa ba se Freddy JP wan so betumi akobi
me de me ni mo bigide. Okay, but I'm telling you say Uko Israel ba, you won't remain the same.
Oh wow.
I'm telling
you. To bet me, I said testimonies
especially. Say nyame wadom na set me can the wailing war. You won't come and remain the same. The wailing war.
Oh okay.
Yeah, wo Jerusalem. Oh man remain the same. No krese ba bie betimi aboasu. No kre Yankopon yen chinchina sa River Jordan mu kwa ne boss.
Okay.
But abena say o county of first, second, third, fourth steps in River Jordan. So my staircase because e mudo.
Okay.
One hwe na odi agora. And so ko fa trenchem e de abro. Now drew the feet. Near the River Jordan now pia. I don't say so.
Okay.
Yes. I'm telling you. So ye Kristo ni kwa dia na ahode ne ho a. Ekremofo nyese bi omso mo hotel mo ko make out.
Okay.
Yes, hotel because I learned at this time come almost best 700 million.
Yeah.
Yes. Just 77,000 also. And yes kaketuo. But obi a okoba bia ni mfasode a. E wo tina make so ye Kristo ni na wo je Bible na wo kenkan nko a edidia. Na se sikasem wo ahode wo wa.
Bomodia
Israel Bible ko so tibo ni kire.
Ko Israel bra.
Yes. Israel Bible ko so tibo ni.
Se ebi so beka se na sentokwasem tenye sefu se obeko.
Oh rebi abna entokwa no far away from Babia tours no. For example, maybe they say Bethlehem. Ehona yempene ma won enko for now because say the northern part of Israel. So maybe they say the northern part near the Tiberias. Maybe at the King Solomon Hotel no ewo. It will maybe bra ma won enter emen.
So they say gwa kwanso tene.
Udru Israel so they have an app.
Okay.
Ya download ya. Baby a bomb beto bia no. Unya alert. So to say ahanom ene bi ato. Who said because I remember say ye ko say nya ascension. So baby a Yesu ko shia Moses ne say Elijah say. Ye ko nya alert say enye safe for now.
No so
ye said ye twen ye.
Okay.
For a soldier for to make sure say bibia toto na akwa mu ye. Ansana was a fortunate for us ye ko no ye ni pay dikan ko after say they extrunche to Israel going so.
Okay.
Yes. It's not restrictions more than chain or more call after ye no. But this I say o ma gugu ne mum kakra because they have perform.
Ope video se be ha kwaso ko ye wan twa video ba kwa mhwe na che se o che Yesu na musini ya ne bi hu na on number bi who akwasi That's easy. But yeah, adomonline.com no videos no why bebre ko chebi man.
Nice one.
I was here the bokata no.
Yeah, delegate bokata. You are sabotaging the economy. Minority Toad comes to the picture of Majority Leader Alexander Afenyo Markin. Leaked tape of Osu Ampofu to open defense in 3 weeks. 2.37 million euro ambulance case. Atoforce request live telecast trial. Baumia tax campaign to voter region. Government to roll out 5G services soon. Etimu amofon entimi emfa 5G no. O se mo upgrade.
Se no so hu se ma abados hu the fourth estate.
Yeah.
The omo kan anu yeso enra ministry no e dia ba.
Yes.
Ene ebedi mu nko.
Ne o se ne. Ai sa ndie. Obi abeka ne so. Ntino ma meneka so mo yusu your friend say
4G na.
There be 4G. Phone your internet ni so.
Yam phone.
Also mo upgrade. Because we are seeing the coding. I'm going to try no more upgrade. It's the daily guide about Kata and no daily analyst. NEP to train 5,000 carriers by December. Deputy Attorney General Ravishes calls for Dame's resignation. GSS 2023 trade report. Ghana records 5.3 billion Ghana cedis trade surplus. Atoforcing petitions Chief Justice for televised trial. Okay, daily analyst. The Ghanaian Times, the Bokata Esu Enye. Support government grow economy majority courts minority. Ghana said to roll out 5G mobile broadband service. Communication Minister Esla Owusu Ekufo-Foni Ewahanum. State church must partner to propel development. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia. Now the Pokuasi in Sawam road project in limbo. Over 100 court cases, compensations. Relocation of utility lines delay completion. Ghanaian Times, also don't know. Republic Press. Amidou Des Bagbin refuses to apologize over Dubai secret meeting claims. It's time we move some government services out of Accra. John Dramani Mahama. Arise Ghana calls for Attorney General's dismissal. Parliament gives 7-day deadline to Martin Amidou to retract allegations against Abam Sumana Bagbin. Government to meet organized labor over Snit Hotel sale dispute. Judiciary under siege as MPP NDC trade blows over ambulance trial. Republic Press and so I don't know. The Inquisitor. Weird petition against special prosecutor. Things fall apart. Authenticity of petition in doubt. Konfanoti Teaching Hospital Labor Union support CEO. As his impeccable achievements pop up. Patrick Buama to win Okaikwe Central again. The Inquisitor. The area and the new finder. Minister justifies 5G contract. Says no neutral infrastructure company exits to handle the rollout. Legal framework key to proper use of AI. Okay, margins you. Access banks are well. Okay. And the new finder. Online.
And yenko online na adomonline.com na yede etwa so yede kan bo hono kra amane ya mama PSC Esther ya oye nyumtuni gospel musician wako Israel obontoa na miamia hodo a wako nyina no na yede biegu hama no na bullet sa no na manage Wendy say na oche se oni Wendy ewo ase sensem kakra wo mo ntem eno ho asema ye nsem ben a me patoko adomonline.com na wakenkan ya mame na owura imano amabrapai na otwasini ewo man yi mu ase wokọ adomonline.com a obehunu ebra na otwasini be ma tenten brane pa ye na onim no ne tibie ne owo mu ne nyina ewo ha sei na chese eyakomate eye nyini anase eyeyade empato wokọ adomonline.com pictures no ewo ho eno chi so no police escort rider wo say sempanyefo kwaya na police fo mote motorbike bi so di anim no na baako enya akwansie ya wafri munti eno so adomonline.com ebo ho amane na Telesal Ghana Music Awards omo echese artist awodo anwontofo a omo beba abe perform wase no so adomonline.com edo mu nyina din amount no behunu se de Telesal Ghana Music Award no ebekọ adomonline.com emu amane na ye de ama na kwasi eno no se ye beko ahomaso na ye de si
first na say
mate
neja
na say de
baby enu baby
se nyambo ochina obeba ti Havana
yeah ochina meba
na me bisa o se o support Real Madrid na say Dortmund want to be here no
yes Chelsea supporter
Chelsea
and I want it
Manchester Sisubim
and about your Chelsea supporter
but nyambo ochina want to me fa blue Emma ho
there be say
also share the
yes omo omode mo answer any and na ya your modom say omunko pim final
she
na ya hwe ne mbode mbono answer any kura
kwesi wa say wanka
Chelsea club in fact my friend say it's not only a continental club but universal club.
Yeah.
They
say the best team nyambo ochina ewini Oshemi awe.
You consider omo.
Ene Shemi.
Ene ochina.
Hala Madrid.
Omo kwa akohia.
Akwazu ma menkasa.
Na ya hwe ne modern mo enso ne kwa na ya hwe the next season. How a bit me I place you.
Na wo team a wono agi UCL cup no. Wagi 14. Anyambo ochina wagi bakwaka na 15. Na akase team bi wo ba bia Obobo Chem Real Madrid a.
Ochina ye show ti Havana.
Brofum no akwasi hallucination e kan twi say.
Minti brofum da.
Hey.
Ochina ye show ti Havana.
Tema community 9.
Yes, na ye but me say kai say nipa 4 year beba no.
Sika o sika.
Extended the chance of winning 20,000 Ghana cedis.
5,000 Ghana each.
5,000 cedis each.
Okay.
O hwe o fie nso a. Na say o participate here. You can win between 500 to 5,000 Ghana cedis.
Now do hu shemu bia.
Yes, because one fa hu anhemu a.
Unni sika.
Say adwuma a wa mbre ho no undi ho.
Na bi ensa anya adwuma nso no.
Endidi. Aya akromfo nsa.
Sɛ nyambo kyerɛ sɛ kombedi akwasinsia wo hoi mia me make sure sɛ kombedi no ba
me na abena pokua hwe
pate dia me so megye so ene abena pokua ahwe ne ya da wase dia ka ebeto aso
morning busia mu ache mu akwa abemra so sɛ yɛde akodi mu nsɛm de bro sɛ bedwama go kansie nsɛm ya na dɔso de sɛ fata sauti na yɛboaboa no na yɛde abro ɛna akɔ yɛ fie da yi de na kyɛ sɛ ade na ano ayɛden papa ano ayɛden eti on sɛ miemia nneɛma so a na yɛsɛ Champions League ne ho nneɛma na miemia no and de bia me kasa yɛ ba agye na nya bedu Champions League no ababa lande no china ehye so den and Aviation Social Center ɛhɔ edwae and Hit FM bɛkɔ hɔ na face so no Adom TV Adom FM and of course Asempa FM yɛhyia ɛwɔ T Havana Tema Community 9 T Havana Tema Community 9 ti mu yɛnyina yɛhyia na yɛnhwemum na bibia so ntimi enkoye Meka ne sa no Sergio Manocho ne Bernard Padibotwe na woma ka me ho amede nsam na de bro Bernard Padibotwe ejira mu den na Sergio ejira mu ma hye bibia de mbekan omo na de atomanim se memfa emre mona be hyase Medical Champions League wasam de hono de be fie Real Madrid akache Antonio Rudiger or defender de my Real Madrid or den sam otudwa so gidi se Real Madrid betimi abodwuma pa se se wa wie season ni na ade ba ko be ma season no awie peye no and some budget Champions League no Antonio Rudiger Antonio Rudiger and some more the eto edwa and so na Jadon Sancho one also your player at the Borussia Dortmund Sancho someone so the two journey Borussia Dortmund into a big game a Basel China first of June now but the share war Aviation Social Center Tema Community 9 and opani a ye games a hold dia grow so ye ho yen good dia hold one as a program say Adom TV so no ye de bebre ewo T Havana ewo Tema Community 9 eti anopana otwi ye de bebre sports arena ye de bebre T Havana na Asempa FM programs Adom FM programs ni na ya pipe e de T Havana bro na wa feel nti o cha de alaje ni poso ma yen share T Havana Tema Community 9 ayera Asempa FM Champions League Fan Day hona ye share ne de ahwe abo pa Real Madrid na eje ana Borussia Dortmund na eje me de na ma share Real Madrid je se mu sa abra pokua obia hye ne de achasa ayefe to bia babi bia hwe no TV so bia no obepie mu ewo ye T Havana Tema Community 9 na ye de apem so Asempa FM Champions League Fan Day. Now, go pay more the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana. Nantena Babedu, Bebrena Babedu dia and Team Hotel, said John Manucho, I could pay more my report on the Ecoso Team Hotel.
The Kwesi Boni Bekano residential campaign, no, and a chassis, a place no beer, pie free, ne fiemu, ya omuko shiae, ewa Alisa Hotel. o hwa atade ene ahofasuo niema kese ya ne hyehyɛ mrantie ya na bibia dadi se niema koye pa ebi tie tade ni bi wo ha sika puduo ya mrantie te ede toye no atumi ya niema bebre nanso ni fenti eno boa na kyerɛ ebra amabo Black Stars omo nsɛm na negusu a etwa gu o my Ghana mu efiti da coach Otado wade mrantie dunu nsia no ebetu dwa omo jo oma home na na pai omo solin tempa so adidi a ewia ombo boaboa omo neema no ne bo no nan epa ho sima dunu baako a omo tene omo ka mu akwakopie Legon agopama kese no so na ho sesi edi kan no kra omo di ahwentam so unim se Mali and Central African Republic World Cup qualifier akansie no junior de toso nsia ane ne de toso edu akansie mi enu baba so nti omani abre pa junior de toso nan omu free kromu ha no makopie Mali de bewie mu bia no Otado ane ne mrante ne besa agina mu a kuma se baba yara go prama so de toso mienu no omo de aba.
Right, I know Nadia Koso Black Stars are catching players na lande, but Coach Otado now we head coach my Black Stars ahead of a game against Mali and the Central African Republic. The already two journey.
I think for me, Ghana football stands for good football. And this is maybe I want to use the opportunity. It's difficult to promise victories because of football you can be better than your opponent and at the end they will score and they will win or one slight mistake will happen. But I think I will take the opportunity to be brave enough to promise you that we will play good football because I've been studying football for a very, very long time, and for me the boys, especially in Ghana, they like to play with the ball. This is how they grow up when they're playing on the streets, and this is what I want to implement. And I think this is the easiest thing to implement because they will have joy having the ball, trying to dominate. I know that we will face opponents sometimes which are stronger than us, where we need to defend more. But in general, I want to bring back to the joy with the ball. I want to create a culture, and this I think has been the culture in the past, not to be fearful when you have the ball. I know that there's high demands on the players, and it's difficult. There are difficult times, and there's a lot of pressure on the players. But I want to take the pressure away to allow them to do mistakes, because this is the only way we can, in long term, we can give them the confidence to play what they can. We know what they can. If you...
Okay, Coach Otado, one on our coach my Black Stars, then somebody two, I don't know, but Otado won someone when a second coming as head coach of the Black Stars. Then on Sports Writers Association President Kwabena Yeboah, and they have football strong. I'm Otado.
You are the official coach, but the real coaches are here. So the criticisms will come in. Some will be caustic, some will be very vitriolic, some will be vituperative. But in all that, just relax and understand that as generally we mean well. So don't take the criticisms personal, but they will come in fast and think. Because you've had some of the tactics and systems already coming from some of the colleagues. Whether you're going to play the route system or whether you're going to play the Mourinho system. So they will definitely come. But they know that, just understand that we in this together.
Right. And only a footwear SWAC president, Kwabena Yeboah. Otema Coach Otado. Now, yeah, kind of sound on a conco PMO one some from the Ghanaian Premier League match 22, chassis and a crowd of folk, and Nadia Fapa and one. Yeah, fixtures now. And as of the Nations FC, I was at Accra Sports Stadium, Basel 6 p.m. at the Ancient House of Folk versus Nations FC. But United near Diana and so the PM for Sujabo Park 3 p.m. at Dachina and Legon City's neighbor 4 as under Kodo Great Olympics neighbor Air Court relegation. Naniabre. the next game on the house so on also copper results were amfa has game against Olini Bedin. In Stratemani Accra Lions recruit Chelsea RTU. Media Money Hearts of Lions, Summer Technic Gold Stars, Nafi Dreams FC, and Kerala United winning fixtures match day 32. But the amount for any umpa, how Hearts of Folk be avoid the relegation because Nations game we book and Pasco. Nations game we book and Pasco. See, that's how I say careful pa. And then when you draw be crowd, I don't cry but draw yes chance of beluso. It's a Hearts of Folk pressure down so far near there. I don't want Samara and Yen share the and several fair cross for former Black Stars captain Awolukwe and the Abbott to Jas and a year basso on the 8th of June. I won't cry higher. Another than Kufuado on the GFA. Ajetum say one more back and boom now my Yamana F.
Hey, a papa, ye can't say more or more Ghana football, Nigerian national teams, or more dear Chile, and a club football piano. Ni din beda o mano pa agro wa bedie e dia ma my Ghana no esefata se nsem sei ato abusua ye nyina ade ntoma bebo ye dia no abeta o mochi match busuminim na nkane Black Stars captain onya ne ba bi kro ya abusua kohia ye toto adwene na adwontoto amu no bibia akwawe ya enra abusua ehia nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ de nhyehyɛ no aretuja abusua no kyerɛ sɛ atwum busumi ya ye wɔ mu yi ne de toso nwɔtwe na kyerɛ meme na ɛbɛni na wɔtwe so ɛyɛ kɛse no ɛba so a ɔman panyin na Dankwa Kufuado de ne ho agimu a ɔman no ɛta kyerɛ nti ɔmo tutu nneɛma yi.
It will be starting 12 p.m. in the afternoon. So along that side we will move to the mortuary to bring the body back to the house. Then the wakekeeping starts from there till the next morning at the dawn. We are yet to confirm, but the president told us that the military will take charge over the body, and then they will put the body into the hearse. Then it will be driven to the forecourt status on the 8th of June in the morning, early in the morning.
Na saa hyehyɛ tujwa ye busua no ekokohia nsɛntwerɛfoɔ no owura Uncle TT Brothers na dawroma ɛna ɔde nneɛma ta kyerɛ a wɔfa ho nyina aka ɛboaye na bibia kɔso na nhyehyɛ foforo a wo hɔ no kyerɛ sɛ Hearts of Folk and the Great Olympics old players meme da by 1st June McDonald Pamaso wala hia de akense ba ko de bepem so na de ahya Olukwe ɛna onyam.
Right, and on it, so ehwa asama no tation so sa famai odachana the 1st of June. Now 1st of June sa no na kyesa pe ewo Aviation Social Center and no ye Joy FM hits FM refugees no na fi so yakopie mu wo Tiavana Tema Community 9 na ho yakogire mu den pa na ye de hoso de na baye the final of the UEFA Champions League Real Madrid ne Borussia Dortmund mame kan de Dortmund versus Real Madrid anya sam keto akra hwan na eje Real Madrid almost 6th final in 10 years and I'm sure some Belgium 15th Champions League I mean the most successful club in the history of the Champions League, betumi agiana, omonkwa agi Champions League in a back to back. Untume omonkwa about Dortmund, so mbesanwa e de agu mogale mu yenhwe. So Dortmund bet masanwa e de agu mogale mu. Ye kan Awolukwe Junior ne aye ho nsam on the 8th of June. Me tonsafro so ba be ka me ho na me ma me 1 week be baso wo Nkoko Stadium. Me ma me da form. Ti wo have my Real Black hair. Say Real Madrid the White Angels. I mean, Real Madrid, Black Angels. Since I'm made that for many bedi and vim na medijina near there. To me invite you on the 8th of June as a next week. I want Koko Sports Stadium. I want a 1 week service. No na kwa bia so bibia ti me koyeti. You better send a hon some besia ko menye me fancy sa as I be na be my emre. Ma Sergio Manocho, Bernard Padibotwe, I me producers. If I show ye the pomodi on some beto aso hebedwam. We are not the aka. Adom
TV Badwam health tips so na watchi medase omre no wadaje a wode amaye na wutie adehua efa prostate ehu mema ne titue medamosepa mene Dr. Eduboaten na watchi yedi nkomoyi na daroma nso na dwumadi etumi de brew simenum ye nchakura sabeya obetimi anya bre no akoto a wonuma so enne ene ye de nkomodie wo prostate mu no eba na awiye ye hwe ne treatment timestro tie ni ye free scan na no koso ewo endpoint bra na bejo de dog me mo akwa ba na me na se yen treatment nso ewo prostate.
Yes, the only say first of all, before I because I be treat prostate now, also we need to identify the type of prostate problem at all. Na you betime hu de ntia obi ho ana de be mamu na hihye no. Odwonso ani nso fitaa bi akiri. Ochem sana Johnson na ba. Wadwonso kra na Johnson na buy drops. Johnson no ba entwada. Johnson kana no wantwa mika na odwonso egu no ho. Obi ho ana ya ase ewe no ni hips ne sisi nyina timi eye ne ya. Obi ha odwonso a Johnson no emma otese bia ka ne be menim. Na obi okwa na etimi kofa bibia friends wa hu se wanya prostate problem no wanya bia friends say penile atrophy. Wa hu se obema no crash ase ehi. Wonim se da obema no sitie. Afi wa hu se ade yesu tia na etie. Ana wonim se bia anka wo no oba hia atenka obi a prostate no say say kura na say ye cancer so na ye a. Wo no oyere kura hia atenka wo so onya no. Wo ho sane wa eba na yo wonte atenka wo so onya. Ana obi okwa na ode boss wa obema ne mu ya wo ya emu hihye wonti atenka no ebre na se san many nyina wo first of all before e betima atima ye no yentimi ka se ye mo adu keke we need to do BBI a medical examination enti no na ye scan ene ye endpoint ye ni free no ye do to ne atwa mfonini over the whole unit tract no because prostate no kan ye se e ka na ntu a na kasere enenti obi wa abo se na prostate na konya ne problem eso so na urethra no aye infected na bladder no so enwa aktochema enti etwa scanner if any unit tract you know you twa ni na chekewe se e de protein na esi na ye wi a ni aye lab de enti aye lab no obi wa wo se be be check prostate wo de scan na mo ye ni free no pe na am pese me ye de bia ye nya sa ade no wono a wonya sign ni na wo so de wo de mo nya scan keke ma me na me kwa mesa ba be ye lab no emwa wo pese o smart ba emwa because wa nya lab no a unhunu at the property o prostate no ye check ye no ye say ayen large ye say ayen inflame e de protein na de sa de ne ba ye
this lab no
e gonorrhea na de ba ye e syphilis e ye de na de ba ye infection be na wunya ye de sa wa ha ne ba ye obi wo so ba check no na infection bi ani wa na ohun so sa abrobe eni ti no ma mienu ne de be check e ye scan ene ye be ye lab ne ehunu at the property a ene ye etima confirm say wo prostatitis ana wo dai enti ye wi a ne ya mo aduro say infection ni ba ya tuti infection ni we ni amu aduro betima correct the prostate no na ahoden aba it is a cancer say cancer no wanya enu the last stage 4 and now stage 5 there even endpoint itimi hwe stage 1 stage 2 of prostate cancer na mo ko duru akire dia na wo say refer wo e de oma kwalebu na omo eto aso na wo pese oboa ana say wo pese ye oba endpoint and now person obusa question bia o yade bia ha obia no a frame number yi so 0244 86 70 68 0244 86 70 68 yada gana fo nyina ase
yes ye da wase papa pa Dr. Eduboaten endpoint homeopathy clinic danase Mr. Okoho ne ko check ya tiska ne bi so na wo huntume nya odin na wo twi mu meda mo ase samoje bre hweye na wo twi besi mu sem kwan hodin wo ho ye bese hia ne adi nkomo foforo me din afia amankwa tamaklo
ye chia mama makwa abashonko makacha so nya multi guineas bi na unya asane to so a guy pa ye me din Sandra or heme ametiwa adwuma nya me adom entertainment ame Ghana for tremu a
guy. Sister Sunday be a guy.
Straight up Ghana's entertainment preferred. Dear no. Me ma hu bi. Me say my nya ho bi ofie ha say a. They are doing amazing projects bi om dey see o mani so say. Ombeje no. It's very beautiful. Me pesa wotena ho. Na come ho ni nya break akra. Na your name of free etchin komo. Students of Legan. I'm guys me Legan. I say no dance on mechanic dance in Legon 4 Abesham wa Hasia. Or something extravagant. It's very beautiful. Then I don't many reggae dance hall artists based abroad, but Ghana Music Awards no. Ya nominating no page. Now real quick into ya ne ono kwan twetwen komansa. Ya best studio na afi ye de enkomo na aka no ahyehyɛ so. Hi, good morning.
Morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. Burning Stone, my dear pan. How are you too, sir?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bless up. Bless up. I'm doing well. I'm doing good. How you doing? How's everybody in the studio?
I'm good, burning. I'm good. I'm burning like a stone.
I'm telling you, you should.
Adom TV.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah.
Real quick, Burning Stone. Why the name Burning Stone? Burning Stone. Then a Benny, a born away here.
Funny enough, before I was ordained on this name for this particular reggae journey.
Okay.
I mean, collaborate me papa mo e de frame me.
Oh wow.
Me di ankasa obo. And they be almost say me shipa into the be no maka say akoy oshio. So when and it's my grandfather's name also in Kumasi. So when this journey came, one day I heard, no, your name is Burning Stone, go back to your name. So it's actually my real name.
Wow, you heard say we are pure American. Meti ase ya we are pure American.
Yeah, because I'm a American and I'm a Nkranigakra because me Asantini wo me osu.
Oh, okay. It's not me per se you call the side of reggae, you know. Why the reggae music?
Reggae is a calling, reggae frame. Me had different genres as a producer, but one night reggae called me like in the middle of the night. Oh, reggae say bra bra bra. So reggae became a tool to use for my message. Okay. We were a very peculiar message to cut across the whole world.
Wow.
And reggae, genre bia, is the father of all genres.
Oh.
Reggae is the father of all genres. You know, reggae frame me as a calling. Say, listen, let's work together. You know, say I'm fair. I want to mean yet.
Say what say amanone. Now, Yenyum, and you're not to say, UK Honum. How is the music doing in UK?
UK is one of the. So him said Bob Marley.
Okay.
Was starting a career from Britain and Peter Tosh, Joseph Hill. Ubia reggae artists be out in Biano. Almost starting way. You know, we are privileged. Say, you know, music is doing very well here. Reggae music is one of the biggest genres.
So that means that the reggae music itself, you know, burning UK honum already.
It's burning sharp. You know, so be more. So be more right. Well, so be more right. Into be more right. Yeah. In be okay amount. Yeah.
Now to the awards. Or I say obi atna say solely just reggae music. Or be awards na why then Badwam abaso adwuma pa moje ho. And you find yourself in that awards. How does that make you feel?
Quite great. Award the idea be it's a kind of a little bit of earthly reward for all your great work. It will be a hard work. And there are a lot of great reggae musicians here in the UK from the diaspora. Ghana for it be America, it be Ghana, but Ube say reggae idea a young crofo say a general for Kobolo. Hey, basa hey, that kind of thing. You know, nkofa dream enko hobby bray. You know, so be too nenisi or say, and no peso yeah. It's very rewarding. We say ebe bon nkofa baso, ebe man nkrofo lamplight no about reggae music. So it's a genre beer. Ukra good message. Now the may we are senior. I mean, King of England bit reggae music.
Good.
I mean, Joe Biden beti reggae music. Nana Akufo-Addo beti reggae because it's kind of genre biabo so be a crap with you. Sorry, I'm going to Bob Marley me boy.
On that stone come out to change me the power because a lot of people think say reggae artist you must have this rasta or so she.
That's right.
That mentality will Chrome has said the reggae for the him so be a she.
And you'll be me and Gasama down for Shashamali on shit.
No, that's true though.
Me and Gasama legend lucky to be one shit. And you'll be no shit.
Yeah, okay. My auntie Burning Stone your back on real quick. Auntie message a woman named Koma Burning Stone and I am an chain como reggae dancehall artist based in the UK. It's yentie no number real quick. And now mutie no. You've got a beautiful voice. So small, give it up for the Burning Stone.
Thank you.
This is for you, Ben. Yo, what boy said I don't know.
Thank you.
And I don't know, so be a catch or so only lucky to be or some looks via, you know, more fight it too.
I'm break, back in South Africa, so yeah, band, breaker.
Burning Stone in BB. Oba Quetry. In fact, I made the word drew where we are too good. Your voice,
Amen.
Your looks, everything. So now to the awards. I don't know awards in who here at this time.
Who said like Obiaka said reggae as Asan Ghana. Nkofobi Martin Kofobi Biaka said reggae as Asan Ghana. In the time Mr. Logic, Mete or radio so any TV say or say or started Radio Gold Award. No? I was like, oh wow, that's a good initiative because reggae and sound will be. In fact, like I said to you, reggae is the mother of all genres. It's a Ghana 40 me some year. Unim say reggae and if we high life more.
No correct.
Reggae so if we high life. There's a connection between high life and reggae.
True.
Into pushing the agenda of high life. Need to me push the agenda of reggae.
Yes.
Yeah, we are seeing reggae a very strong genre. And Ghana for also and yes, we are basa phobia but they are good reggae artists. Rocky Dawuni, Okas Nkofobi Bray, Shashamali, what you say, Black Rasta, Nkofobi Bray almost good way. Say, but the award of Bemusana, Optimist artist or reward different people from different in the diaspora and everything like that now. Encouraging more people to come up.
To come
so
join
this is the
reggae.
best time.
Okay.
This is the best time to do that.
Brandon, this is home, your family. We are here for the talent.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. Any last words, final words to supporters, lovers, fans?
My last words will be love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your mind.
That's deep. I love that.
Above all, love your neighbors yourself.
Whoa. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for the message. Are you on social media?
Thank you so much.
Social media name?
Burning Stone official on Instagram, Burning Stone UK on Twitter, Burning Stone Music on YouTube, Burning Stone official also on YouTube, TikTok, Burning Stone.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining. Do have a great day.
Thank you so much. Nyamisha Bibre. Nyamisha Bibre. Bless up.
Bless up.
Peace.
With us. If you Burning Stone now, you know at your chain and come via Zoom, no, or Ghanaian based in United Kingdom, reggae dancehall artist. Uti you know being conscious a bosso. It's me drew UK. The mammy jina na girls are currently raising the flag of Ghana. True dancing. Big up yourselves. Osmo Menjai Boom say this is for Star Girl Afonita and Star Girl Abigail. Yo, buddies, Jamoyano, you are doing the Lord's work. Raising the flag of Ghana and Maya and Kwalamienu. We are so proud of you. And trust me, Obiata Mwechi, the whole Ghana, from the presidency to the ministries to every single person, Yatamwechi. Keep going. With me voting more itv.com. Voting more real quick. Now yen raise the flag and azonto to the world. And we confused ODG auditorium and that is massive. Say adenenium esa. It's time for Africa. This is Africa. Fuse. On set projects now no. I bet to life. It will be some artists no bian fa ne hunji momo azonto nyom obian ye adwuma ne bi. Na yengina yemfa flag no enko. So we in a course wenra. Watch this beautiful piece. Meba Legan. I say. Beautiful. My God. I didn't have to say. Girls go for gold. We try Simon mo so mo bufu kra ye be Ghana. We are representing the whole of Africa. Because it's the first time I'm an African country. Etimi aborum ko finals. And we are proud. This is what we call talent. We say near the airtime ne more echechi we are talent here. When you start to pay na maroro mo ebu internet no so na. We book akra 3 minutes mo so we start no. Ye ni abre okrum ha. And we are pushing this. So girls, Yatamochi, once again big congratulations to Mungina. It was one from na Lagos for no. Omucha me extravagant. Nezo msisi a che dem kwale. Adem bekosa. It was mojatum na. Ye. Lego one cherry the sana moye na. Hey. Dance extravaganza. The guy just said go leg on forward I say. Hey. Dance extravaganza. Legon. Mama kwaba. Real quick, send a bay I am Faligon. Unam chrono be a hello Legon, Bodin, Obiamboni danger me.
Pacha, your friend me Presla Okomati.
Baby boy.
I'm Philip Atakwe Kwanza.
That's nice.
Pacha, me dindi Emmanuela Tete Ado.
Okay.
And then I'm Dennis AJ.
I'm back. Which is really going now. We're just going to catch him. Remember, about TV studios.
Here, Joe Sandy.
In fact, I didn't know more. First of all, you better bomb a basso. Na ya catch him say ya time we chi shemu nkran wo dem pese mo ye no ho e so be mad some wo school na mo pese mo ye dwumadi say for the purpose of Ghana for an obi afi no hweye no mo monitor fa de dwumadi na mo di no.
Okay, enti ye working on introducing dance performances at our tourist site.
Okay.
Because as a oko tourist site Ghana art forms ni na ye artifacts your history your abakosem but ya sana selling out yenhu asano e tourist
not yet.
Yes, not yet.
Okay.
So yenhu kwa enshare consistent.
Okay.
Once a while.
Okay.
But I say something which will be consistent a bit now.
Okay, that's beautiful. But baby boy, all kinds of semina makai. No credit. Yeah, call tourist attraction centers baby. Me who so be sa order. Is it the ma mo yes mo be age media say what could be that? What call tourist attraction baby?
Oh yes, I've been to quite a few.
Few now call who so be sa?
No, not even once.
It's where I know the share moon crying say.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because from my perspective.
Somebody le go for them when your perspective then. Perspective then. Just le go for them when you say we catch.
Okay. Okay, me chini.
The other person can go chi. Just explain yourself in your language how you comfortable.
Okay, let me try the chi.
Okay, and you try, mommy.
People will enjoy it.
Okay, come and say that.
Inti, me who say yasano. And one can say a museum. What's it? Because yasano, it teaches people about your life, the life of the people, like the occupation we do, things we do. Talks a lot about us. Ufa asabi to say pan logo say, pan logo to me who say yes, yasana, ye chibi.
I say no, pan logo ye de papa, papa, pan logo ye de papa. Na. Today na uchi. What's over between bibi chain?
See, to me chin. Yeah, sign. The name pan logo, it comes from like twisted rope.
Okay.
Talks of the rope that the fisher folks whenever they are working.
This is the first time I met it. That's beautiful.
Exactly.
Whoa.
So these are dances like have a lot. So we are not just bringing up the dances there, but they are performing the dances. And then if you want any information regarding the dance, it should also be provided at this museum.
Yes, still what the makeup for. Bad. Ella, what should asa senya unia be maneka na asaya na afonita mo. Media international yeng na aye proud no. So talking of say asa a culture over tourist attraction center ho no be star. Oh, what kind of dance is she doing? I say, oh, that's palogo. We say, what is palogo? It's from the girls. Well, nice, Ibisa. And then say the American as a medical. The same, oh, family project manager. Sir, it is Ibisa and Passa Moyeno. I try, and one episode. Let's all be back on no more. When you are sake, some more sake. Your culture, no?
Yes.
I say promoting and culture.
True dance. I try. Wow. It's baby girl, Banisana. Local dances, traditional dances in Kwana, Mobaye. Pacho. Yeah, school ni mum de nya no kwani. Eh, na somebody afafra. Yeah, contemporary, yeah, pop, yeah, traditional. Hey, pop. Mama pop ni bi. Hey, now pop you won say pop ni saying.
The movement to be my. The movement.
Oh, nah, wait a minute. Dun 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 dun. Let's say, oh my palogono. Na pop so pop. Palo pop. Ah, we see. I bet you some.
Because I want to say popular dances.
Okay.
Most of them find their movement technique basis from our traditional dances. So it is connected. It
even
is not far.
No?
Yes.
Zone to say, yes. Say na once I say yeah, no style bisa.
Yeah. Asabi to say akaida you can say.
It's akaida your traditional dance.
Yeah, traditional dance we go. Some say. As I say. It's a picking movement basis no from Gao. Do you get it?
Wow.
A lot of dances pick their movement basis from the traditional.
It's true.
Yeah.
Dance extravaganza.
Yeah.
So right now, when you're Queen, no, then I'm also share Ghana for some by mama. I need to some pivots. Extravaganza, most more peding.
Yeah, support.
In what way?
In giving us the platform.
To say your boss said, "Yeah, mama."
Okay. Say your region be your authority sites or when your dance groups
okay.
So for us to be able to mobilize all those people every region
no.
affiliating them to the tourist sites so that any to say Accra na or performance or baby for 20 dance groups now Accra na affiliating to tourist sites are Accra.
Okay. I say no more for ya na more yes edumedi and e bi wo ho.
Casta.
But more na more ye. Jamon e president. Oh. We had na no no program you know. Oh him a would you do
small but mighty.
Small but mighty.
Yeah.
Eti ela me bisa. Say no more obi person or join mo a. Say we kasa more mobilize asafo no. Obi okumase or cultural center or Sadoa. De mo ye. Ohun say oh de no ho kan e beboa no. Den requirements no obefa adjoin.
Pacho, say obehu HOD no.
Okay, HOD wo.
Pacho HOD wo.
Okay.
No behu na no discuss it ni opeso obe.
Okay.
Pacho.
But real quick, odofo, ada na wunja number bi ntumu a, mo number bi a, mo de beto public, obi pese obeka mo even in terms of sponsorship, help, be support bi a, number be ni enfrem mo so.
Ubetimi
Presido. Presido.
Ubetimi afre 055
ampa
69 25 706.
Sisu bi
055
okay
69 25 706.
Legon, baby girl, final words to Omoya show. Obi ama me final words on one tough am starting through no ba kokko.
Pacho dey kan ya beda munina mose say mama yen platform say a first say yen so yen be introduce yen so the ye
sakese nkoma well be kofi ampedu
Pacho ena asida for some come mama sorry me prophet Nigel Gazy me microphone ni na
ona kwa
me media team ni na make sure me da mase for support ni ade ni na maya mai ban Pacho mpese Ghana phone ni na hu say dance na ye can enye ni na na yasa sometimes ni yesiani ama bebre and I was say ye ma ya adwen ko ye culture so because nyama ye beto ye no enye no na me sha ye asisi an ya migrate obia sorry I say like on fire ye way into ye culture into na ye nkodi sorry to say other countries they chi ana bibi
okay
but nka mutimi edi yechi said ya start ye na nka mo betimi so aboa ma ya
di wachi
nka bibia betimi
akọ o me han ba
sa
ya da sifi Manuela what's your was sorry ana
Pacha me Church of Pentecost.
Yeah, so praises and worship.
And I'm Pacha nyame adoma next week here 7th June 2 p.m.
And first one no.
Pacha.
Oh, okay, pilot no.
Pacha.
That's beautiful.
Pacha invite obi biara na Pacha mo mbra be support na enyefe.
Ebe ko so we hefa.
Awa Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum.
Okay.
Pacha.
Time near 2.
Pacha time near 2 p.m.
Next week Friday.
Next week Friday. Yes.
And then now watch prepare 2 p.m. Kwame Nkrumah ho.
Yeah.
The be share ex-president. Na ya me come. That's nice. Okay. Yo, baby boy, the only guy.
Oh, okay. Media me chill bibia.
Me ho apa no go betimi answer pa.
Oh yeah.
I me ho apa Afro Rollins who didn't have my.
Acrobatics.
I see something. That's beautiful.
So thank you once again for this platform. And then one thing I want to voice out there is that mostly I watch talk shows a lot.
Just how they treat it when you the bro for the feel free.
I watch talk shows a lot. And then when people or panels are being called on to shows to talk about our traditional art forms, our traditional dancings and all that, they are mostly elderly people.
Oh, okay.
So it makes most of the youth feel like these are a topic for the elders. Do you get it?
Okay.
So for youngsters like us to pick it up, it tells them out there, say, everyone is involved, all hands on deck. So, yes. So thank you for this opportunity. And then I'll also ask, like, this thing should be done more. Like, more young people like ourselves should be allowed to come on shows like this.
Yeah, we are there for the talent too.
To like voice out on our cultures, educate people, tell people what we have here. Because sometimes yeah, sometimes we can say surprising things. We'll be like, hey, this small boy, and he say, yeah. So I will encourage that.
Presido. I'm a fast kakra. I love Presido.
To add to my colleagues now, yeah, that Mr. Welbeck say, Auntie Sandun say that was say, yeah, that multimedia Adom TV phone you know as say mama Aquina. Auntie, as Ella rightly said, 7 June. At exactly 2:00 p.m. at the Monday. You better start some musical performances. Be 1:30.
Oh, okay.
Inti one bantema. Be Lucy, yes. Inti ye shemu na mwenim say. Mo be best supporting Mata Echi.
Presido. I say no me so nem penny for kasa say. You betimi abe cover. Abe bobia mama.
Hey.
You're
only welcome.
We are here for the talents because send am kind, you know. Pina edinsim hu social so ade enchino yon kwa ron ho bebu atopa akosia enumere no jeje gate wo ade e chese no ye celebrate ne e from. These are things we need to support and push. When in yema we say ye channel your energy no e continue stress say na watch no one dey no what na say am because that Sunday meet me do hot work na ye twitwa TikTok ni ade akata enya me kwan eti me da mo say mo be stra me and a week pepe one ye be share wo kwame nkroma.
Yes.
What kind of mausoleum? So, mobile has said. So we are here for the talent, like I said. Yadama CP. Won't mean Yamako was a baby kaka. Was more, Mammy Bibi. I saw most of my dance. Mammy Bibi, will be out there. Mammy Bibi will be out. Well, Bekofi and Peria, my director. I'm my producer. First, us, I will say, I'm one so. Our hair logistics GH. You won't believe that we're going to share Misano. My country say. Adaji ali etotena ho pa say ye be ye tisa for 4 hours no enye easy me ni bi enti no hair logistics and our new ye braided wake up mama or Instagram TikTok hair logistics je hwa say e kama pa watch na ye hiem watama watch na ye hiem say Champions League no finals na be koso china na ye start fiti anop team be na support
I don't support anything right now but Madrid must lose.
Sir, yes. Hey, hala. Watch now. You can say watch now. Tema. We be sure that be against on support you. Be better than when you na can home. Watch now. You share what tema from an upper 8 kosi enyuma match no ebe twego. Our favorite presenters. Ebe wo honom Adom FM, Adom TV. Our favorite presenters singing ebe. Now ni bibi. Watch now. Disco sika eba honom. Watch now. Disco sika. Nipa beye 3-4 bidie obia de 20k ebekofie 20,000 Ghana cedi 3200 million bra behwebo na yemfa encho. I'm the guy's queen. We need a sister son to be a guy. We need extravaganza for be ko na OHD decoder na me sure koso ahweso ma me say ya because nyema fofo basesan na ESSM na Franco Trading Enterprise there ayo phone papa enso efie Jakramo, Yankramo sa, ye bejamo extravagant way. Osmojatum no munja extravagant way. Responsibly. Happy birthday. And come up Kwame Papa Bin. Your bros or Netherlands. founder of Daddy Lumba Fans Association ewo Netherlands ho Kwame Nkwale ye wild kra na be form ko Amsterdam ho adwumade no mo ye na big eti Kwame papa bi blessings to you brother we love you style baby Osmo Jatum
and Sunday my birthday
hey happy birthday to you happy birthday to you happy birthday Presido happy birthday to you hip 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 happy birthday in advance love Wajatum to ya sabe na mo de be say we no ya fancy about tourist attraction ho ya be hwe mo ano quick na mo so ya bonyu mi si asabe na mo de be sa Osmo Jatum my na ya hwe no real quick aha nsi enko what dey we unim sakra asa no di kan sa wo chi mu asa na ya drop beat no aha afi mo te wo ho Osmo mo ame nti e di be si ha say na ja o ka onya anyom ne dia ya de o Osmo na dia bwa de na mfanya ade ansa na yakwe ya de ne fa mfanya ade ansa na yakwo why ana ma bo fetch ho me wote oh boy ba de na say ba be kava na ya sa ba biem ne ade
ana mo be show extravagance
emfa emra bedwam jumede so ebra so se ye de apomde ho komo ebeto aso e de amamo yewi ana ena bedwafo atrase atwe enkomo ewo mpese sabe no ka say mama BC atenase Kemed Pharmaceuticals Limited ye kan enu papa de agana ha omodamu fua usa omo koto do ba bia ese wankasa na sabio omra so no wo nakasa efrefro ope bia benya du papa atwa Kemed Pharmaceuticals Limited mama bako de
nyame adom na wo so e
bia bo hye enupa de say ya wow eti so hwe TV de so a enupa no na eda so a oso hwen Kemed Pharmaceuticals Limited na de na mo e de mani ahwefo
yeah sanya de bia ye meda matiefu ase na mada mahwefo nso ase meda wasenso na ye fi Kemed Pharmaceuticals Limited enuro ka enuro papa ene ye de ma ye nuanom na ya dofo ye kra enuro fi India manmu eba o manmu ha na enuro so de ye wo ka enuro papa ebi na esi ayi so hanma ye de ye ni ehu ye wo BC56 cream eye ekro adro na ye wo pine leaf ointment ene ne tablets ye de sakoko ensa ya rebia eka koko ana ye wo emotofo a nkwala de enso ewo hono mo ebi ye Molly's baby massage oil na Ayola's scrap water eno na isi ye yesi ti se wo bisame a ye beka enro ho asem yare ye o papa yare ya enti se o asase so na se o yare a se o pe edu papa enne sika ho ayeden nti wo tato ne preko senia ye beka no nti enne ye begina pine leaf ointment ne tablet so ena BC56 eye ekradro no enne no ho asem enne ye beka se ye ka BC56 eye ekro adro sebe emfa ntwe yesen enya wo adro eye ekro adro se ye ka ekro nso de a ye wo kro ahoro mienu senia de bia me ka no ye wo opened wound ene ye wo close room na close no ho asem de ene ye moso open no ho asem ene ye beka se ye ka open wound a ye kura wodi wani ehu se ekuro ni eno na wodi BC kana na wape baabi akote BC ye edura ye den habama na aye efi India mamu na ba o mamu ha side effect bi enyo eye natural yasen agia tumu ewo mamu ha enti sa wo to emo na ne ede ewo mu anopai ni se Kemed oye promo ewo BC no ho
ekrodro
no ewurade papa ena no ono ankasa aba mahwe ye ho no mo na oba ye nani ebehu bi krofo bre ekretu sabe ye ka adaje bebo yen ekura dia eye nipa dasani wasase so no ekuro betimi eku nti se ekuro beto wo nipa bia na kwa ba bia emfa no trasa akeke anku anfi ho no mo a ebeyi nipa bia na kwa ba bia fi ho sabe ye nuanom am wo diabetes no ekuro ni too very rapid developing ten say sia na asema aba ho ye kotwa sabe wo enamienu anansa mienu kura etesen ene ye kotwa bia fi ho da be masa ade no ema enti Kemed ye promo wo BC ni ho kan ho na koto bi ye ma mreka kra bi
akodu August na ye wie samre nyina akode ubowra shop bia mu a yeton edura wo se mepe BC 56 me aka me da akofa wan fa ma wa ento bia eye da kra weya na to eno na be yi kuro no efi ho kra na asama bonus bia ekuro no ewu a enya wetwa plastic surgery asembie ni plastic surgery na ye ka no enye bibi keke ukwa ye mfa ncho na ukofa test bebremu akopa obi abetwi moja nyesa ukwa ye wa ha na ye da to na bi o eye procedure on its own sa enti ye wo plastic surgery department nti entwen e masamre ne mma na wo de BC2 kuro so a yiyi ensu biara ewum twetwe no na abuild granulation to sushi aka ekuro ya amoa na kansi.
Okay, na say the first part say ensu na ewo ekuro mu no ebe dry sa ensu ne nya
papa nyame hira wo ne sa asam nko a wo kan ye twetwe nsuo no
okay
every ho nsuo ne na edreni kɔ wo nan ne mu na ekoka dompe na ye ma wa kɔ ye test bi a ye friend no Doppler ye hwɛ sɛ aka dompe na enya aka de omu ni hwɛ ombe ye bio eno ane se ye twa afiri wo ye kɔ hwɛ sɛ aka ukotodwo no below the knee ye betwa afiri ho ene ye be kan osere koro a ye betwa afiri ho
okay
sa na kyese se
ekuro huhu nyina ye ensuo na ewo ani no the mona edidi ko ne padwemu no ena de how no beba se ye betwa na se
ɛhɔ ena yare bi a friend septicemia be set in infection of the bloodstream
okay
papa esa septicemia ne set in na ubetimi atwa so obi a wo etwere ubetimi akọ off
because of ekuro
me na me kan kyerɛ ekuro nya ade ase edidi agoro enti sɛ ekuro beto nipadua na kwa babia emfa ni agoro ekuro timi ma wo ye pale sɛ me kase pale moja ne timi sa wo mu sɛ infection ni ba moja ne mu sa na emma wo sa ye pale moja ne we papa ekuro ade ebe ye wo no sɛ ye kan adaje bebo ye ma me mobo na mais ni su tem na matoa so sɛ wo pekel meda numbers na ye de to dwan 055 266 7712 and a 059 855 3075. Next year, if you a crow de no so near copile, coquadro. Se one who coquadro now co baby a wire. And one pile leaf ointment and any tablet.
Okay.
Me was your ho, minimum America. Obi ba was say, oh, me buy yes, say, me cut away and cop. And we still with time. And me home nipa. Kona kope pile leaf tablet and any ointment. Se koko yewa ema ayemutim. Didi wo ko pie sabe woto baby a woja wa nan no. Na ehwa ba inflame ye wontim bi wo ye to retum. Santi no ebe huhu. Na be pai na pie wo woto ho. Na ehwo no na ye nananom se kokobo. Na pie. Sa your friend is saying constipation ya wa ukwaja nambia ho a ehwo na nua bro ni ba mu no osi ho a ochim no obru nua ye ni kwahua de ko dane na sabe yesrem kona kope pile leaf ointment na ne tablet sa kokko ni ya wa woto kwan no ehhehyew wotena ho a wontimi ntena ase woti ho se ne awudanda wo ho ani woni ahoto na be pai moja pai moja ne moja ni tuwa moja yenton sanya moko hospital aye ka che mo no nso ne boarding afi na obi kwotwe ne de abegu woni yare ewo no do ye hwehwem ansa ne ye de ama nso no ho asem no eye kana entwa masambre ne mba kona ko pepper leaf tablets na ne ointment wonum bi no na wo de bi ye woto kwan no cream no ebe shrink power max no ebe yi bleeding biara ebe stop no de bia me ka so san ye soja ni obe arrest hemorrhage no moja na etuwu no o de ye ya na ko a wa chi na ejina ho bebia da din eya wo biara a ewo wo to kwan no ho no ni nyina bejai na nti wo pe yen ya so ye no wo bowura pharmacy biara wo benya ye wo ho no eduro ni bi wo ho no na nkra ha ukotudu ebe ye nuanom kramofo asore dan na wo benya bi adabraka opposite Malcolm wo benya bi na plaza o kanshi Elohim Adepa House Ashama opposite Menya Krobo Rural Bank ubenya bi Madina opposite Malcolm, Koforidua, Gabson Pharmacy, Banner Pharmacy, Sunyane, Green Light Pharmacy, Mose Pharmacy, Six Stars Pharmacy, Afeoko Cape Coast, Buse Pharmacy, Sankotex Pharmacy, Pena Herbal Shop, Ena Action, Kumasi, Costa Pharmacy, Freddie Mens, Ena Obuase, Yewo Smart Herbal Shop. Se ye tu fan konof.
Okay.
Tamale, Udu Tamalea, Usi Pinky Pharmacy, Ubenya bi wo ho. Joy Pharmacy, Ena Godman. Yewo bi wo ho no mo. Na sehwifo, monye misu ye. Ya san ko biebi e wo sehwi. Escora Pharmacy, ukọ ho no mo a ubenya bi. Eben police station dada. Kumasi station eben ho no mo. Ura hope ubenya bi. Atiefo ne adofo. Mon konko pebi nto na mo house ntwa. Medamase.
Era say Mama BC and from Kemet Pharmaceuticals Limited. And out to say it yomo and canteen but open papa. A bit me abwaw. Ama say a ye coco. Ana a crow and a two na open 1 million kwandia. Uko Kemet Pharmacy o makachi and abenyen papa ni bi. Atuma BBC. Yebesado was bebre. And a person resistance. Etiaba say na yede kubo from so atwaso e de ma bedwem eni. Yeba say. Obia on the master. Evat o ka mo gine mu e wa habadu yemu achepa mu ba akona mu ba bedi nkomo. And omoba and so resource omo de brain no nyame na metena no ameka. Edamufua. Ba ba ko amanim so ko a ye de ahaban kroji na awumrewa enua edroda. This a time heba. Nana boko de
Adom ahweye ana Bible ofenyi kese.
Enu be na mrewa na anu a mo de maye this time.
A time herbal mixture, okay. TIME. A drone to a 3D yadi asen. Obi an enuma to ontimi didie. A wati egunu so da hona no ho wo so che o kan se boso a enye. Obi a me pacho pi ko enwumra bo nse enwie madwono ana se enwuno madwono se ne widiem tetanasi asoja agunu widiem. Oje ne ho bia enye. Oba obunu nsa moja sufini entimi emma. Eba na enu na nsa na etwa. Ni nyina obehia time herbal mixture, TIME. Eno ene edra emelewa anoa na de enkokrafo no so anoa ye de eble Ghana fo ene adofo enyina eye time HH herbal mixture and na se ne capsules time HH herbal mixture anane capsules ye di ho nkomo ewo fie ha na dane da nyina meka se ama me no answer ne friade obi benya wa ne friade ye kona betima kobia ne nyina ya de friend say apomdinti Time Herbal Center for your Dogana for Dumias Yafanai, Yatia Wagu Quay Blentu and Marco for Body and Brahama, new tiny nunsini, Ade Aye no was swimming new way the Abasa Ghana ni beer in your be enom. No baby as a time HH Herbal Mixture and a capsules and a dear bed Jumakra and a Eddie. Nijumedia Eddie and say a Kenya and Comwano. So open your head, Oyano Mutaka say and Kwamwa. Yeah. And Kwamwane on say Simeno. Yeah. Oh, spam no. Or a woman a friend and Kwamwa. Na de nyankopɔ de gu ni peduam se embo ni pedua no ho ban enkuntia yade ne ye enkomoa okay enkomoa na no mo nim na be ka na enkomoa ene obroni be se immune system support for general well-being no unya time HH herbal mixture anane capsules na ononoma ebeisa abeboa ma enkomoa na enya hode na akoatia yade biala adani ziba ewo ni pedua so afuru ho na je doctor number na afi yeni nkomo fanfa time HH herbal mixture anane capsules no ho doctor number na 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 0244 41 76 69 Channel so said drugstore herbal shop biala wa Ghana fanem hadie oduani echirema onsa ebeka bi elho dane dan nyina meba na mama Ghana fo ene mu a omu hwe Adom TV bedwam enya ne ntie se ensawansawa insufita pampan a efiri ye bemem eba efiri ye nuanom ma enso ahimfio eba na aba betena honom no eya na enya nika na obo ma ye kan ya no afa ne tra menua ba menua be ma otie metie saa oho ya me abobosu ensanwa ebegugu be ma ho ensupita ifuru be mem eba odwonso na be mem eye oya odwonso na odwonso moja oba onso hu saa ne ma we bi ewo oba ho no ohawa ede ebron se 1 menua ba se utie mi a ana o hwe mi a tie na hwe ne yie pa oye oba na hu saa oho ya mbobosu yi bi wo ho na wa mpe time HH herbal mixture na ne capsules anto anoma oye oba ofa yefunu kura etimi esa yefunu no esa ansa saa oha we aba betena wa hemfie ho ama afei de akofa miscarriage abro aba wotumu se awo ho kra ye den ama wo ye oba o tie mi atie ni ye pa se etimi ma otire ye a obewo abofra na ebegina no na afei abofra na nya oha ewo nani kosua so wo se abofra no se o ko school ne se ya ma ne sunglasses ansha na aye den ama no ohwa ade a onhu ni ye enya mimi de yi bia ma sha me de ball life yi bia o no ono ne de ende age se ohye ansa na otimehu se ya twere ade agu ho ana se ade ben na wo hu unya time herbal mixture anane capsule so a wode ma na ononoma ebeisa oha we nyira firi ho na mo ankofa yefunu ankofa oha bia amfa amle abofra no eno echi ni menua ba otietie ni ye pa etimi ma ubu wonsa kame ya se onyankopon ni die ni nyansa mo se oba bia bebu ni nsa bosome no ena ensie dato so na mojasu fini etwa nanso de wabu wonsa bosome num awie no 2 weeks pepe no asan so menstruate o menstruating so a emoja ne batuntuntuntum na ede pampan abetena ho menua ba hwehwe time herbal mixture anane capsules na enonom ebeisa how we afro ho etimi ma wase kwan ebie na wase kwan aye kese oni be ma mpodi mpaso agudi a onte de bia banchi da ho ebotim kaja na da ona hwe be ma no anim uni feelings bia wa yese edua ewuo no me pacho pi time herbal mixture anane capsules ana ma me menua ba o hwe me kanfo ede amount eno echi ni menua ba o hwe me me pacho wa wudi adanse se be ma ahye wo se anka afie atwamu obewalew enso ankosi hwe afi kwa de ode be hye se easter obewalew ankosi hwe afi kwa de be ma ne ede akwa hye se yentwe na samanum o se yemfiri samanum eno so obewalew ankosi hwe hwehwe time herbal mixture anane capsules esan se ye me ma no se ye hye ye cha na ye di tietia forma ye tiatas no so a yempese ensuo bia begu tas no so on se tas no se ensuo gu so eso etro nti utia so a etimi paw eni ti se bema no eba ewura himfie ho a opese ho kwan eye wense na eche na otima hu se wabo ewura himfie na ekoba ne se ensufita ne nsawansawa bia begu go de how bi aba ho no ma bema no ekwa o mabiem time herbal mixture na capsules ma mimini aba o hweme an kwasem se fa aduroi efa ye wadwaye na se wunya bi na ono ma esiesie ahimfie ho esiesie obam eyi wo ha yi fi bi afiro ma oye obaisima eno echi mini aba ma me pacho ho so minja wa yipem wate ebra oba na eto na ono ma na o toma oba na ho so onum bi esan se dan nyina me ka se agro no eyeda ohun anase enkwan eyeda kwantro eyede osabinom oba na enum na esiesie na ho so wanom na esiesie o na me nse obrani adaje nsan so eje doctor number na ebiem doctor number na 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 0244 41 76 69 shano so say okanshi drug lane odu ani kiremu ho no ma na naboache ewo ho zidos herbal enso ewo ho eno echi no dilofcan ewo ho angel herbal ewo ho eno echi no angel herbal ewo ho ana kinswalk ewo ho Ghana fana ba bibiala yeton aduro odu ani ekirema onsabeka bu ko na nipa ne si bi no ho je sa aduro ani dijuma ba ko asini hu kan sa me na na akosi foda sa akode mesese enkokɔ ne na mapema omunyina nim yepe na enso eso ankokɔ bia ne ntakra na makokɔ no yefe ma akokɔ no yekese na ntakra bone de fanya nkwatere kwa obekɔ akɔte sika akɔtɔ aduro so de kɔsa ho yade na ntima ansa yade amawo ede yade foforo ba betra ni padua so ba nsa watu sika egu eni ntina me di time herbal mixture anane capsules wa danse ede echiro be ma me pacho pi me pacho o hweme na se wo ho ojonso na obemem ekekawo ojonso abonse ojonso no ba akugu mpabo so no ba akugu fom ojonso abonse ojonso na to prekese to say ye bie shower no time herbal mixture na ne capsules na me kan for ma menua be ma o hwem ye wodi adanse se ebra na ewo nkuro nketu ma na edi agro yesu so edi agro no se wuyi wo be ma sa o sanchimpo a utimi de twere udin obi de kofi no atwere KOFI me amede akwasi bo se ma twere de ono so de ya no ono so atwere enenso enede ubema no mpo yi sa wo dwonso a ntimi mpo nto se na odi atwere udin se ne nam onan ho ani utaye ya ne de droban eba beto bemem time herbal capsules anane mixture ekurami ana ebedi akaginamu eyi sa o hawe afuru ho eno echi ne bema insufita afuru bemem eba afedi etimi che obema ne talo boxer sauce na ne wampo ayeden e de amount time herbal mixture anani capsules na make am for the amount enu echi ni bema ensama aba begu bema ho watiti bema ho ama ayekuro ensa na etimi kona aba aye on and off bisa utimi de kwaya do sabia ne ye wo mpane ne ye ma wonuru ubeko review ubeko check up still na improvement bia emma and kwasem say time herbal mixture na ne capsules pebina enom ebeisa hawe efra kwem bema me pacho pi so waye mele ewo empem so o say offer oba bia bo wasum wo empem da oh no kwase oba bi wo da say abra o say o sensa so pa wo say wo jadum
yes
me say ebra na minyan ko time herbal center so you be bo masuma me we fida oh and it mean abema ebra me so de akoi so won person oba be bo wasum e wo empa so na enye enura aphrodisia e wo ma obenom e de wo ha e de ensunsan so boni be brain peduan dia for time herbal capsules fire we dro na onya binom a onso onne o ha bia eni twaka doctor number na 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 ya beda ya hwefo ni adofo ni nyina asesa mojo obre ni adaje ene ya twetwe nkomo monkoso ana monhwe Adom TV bedwam ni wona ma papi de my listeners ni viewers nyina offer me pa chopi we de 30 seconds e ni pebu Canada mini ya prekope on ene na woda ye friend China capital no kwadwofo su yojin ba bia wo bia no onyankopon onka ho Canada na koso asuade be ye panipa
amen nana for that so every time herbal center na mte say ye no etwe egwakato so wona ye bibidro o ememu a achade mrewa ne kokora gu nwuram etete ahabane no bra enua na ye de eye adro pa de ultimate time herbal for ever if ne beda say and so e be ma free amafo a edio mo birthday enso bi odi ne birthday bia so no ya ma happy birthday obi bia wodi o birthday ne de bia ma happy birthday yankopo ensta no nyo kese kopem se obey kese pa be banam the last interview abetwa so no chi one odi birthdays next day ja on picture atoto na yatimi a celebrity omunyina bedwam ne e ba ise jonchu ofia so 22 bet Ghana and on the moche enkomo bet how don their doors yes but also twako ba bia wan ya ju omoto ya so wini a enkoye o notch na be ko na afi o man kasa kromo shede akra new office papa bia o ya ka to so bet na say internet adwuma po mo address na asem si a wetimi akọ address no na address na de be che o mo kojo boko de we ye kojo chu atonyum we kojo chu chabe kojo chu ebe ti go don't 22 bet Ghana chire die na mo ye bet awodo be na mo twa
22 bet Ghana registered by Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Okay.
Yeah, all system I check out. Yeah. Has been some over 5 years in the industry.
Okay.
And say the check Ghana phone most of them are digitally. Okay. So people know as digitally, but we other traditional listeners in like the people of Adom and as in let's say multimedia no more share offline advertisements as compared to online there. So this time around yes ones are Tiabana show. Yeah. The Avenue chairman for
sure. Okay. So I took Kwame so head of customer service the March 22 Ghana Betty company. So I took as a customer service manager say me try mo better. What's the assurance I say me dia mutua.
Okay. And senior one kasa odi kan no. We are registered by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. And you are very secured. You are very secured. And yeah, it's also international. And Ghana penny very international. Even Africa, Nigeria, Cameroon, Kenya, Zambia. You you're outside. You're outside.
Okay. I know to say.
I know 100% is free. So I can Ochina Champions League 100% is free. Okay. Any of the team are best take bet, no matter the amount of stake. You stake we na use you go move some money into your free bet. Okay. Bet.
Yeah.
As we betting about risk.
Yeah.
Why take risks you know?
Yeah.
never use it. It's a discount. I show free betting. That's the travel before.
Wow. Eti kwa mame enti wase abra me work on kojo. So ochina memreda ti Havana. Yeah, ye ba honum no. Si ye ba betwa mo bet na ye twa with odds being dey she the go akwa ma ye na ye twa sa bet no for ochina.
Okay. Inti mame starting say ebia obi any first time or te yenka.
Yeah.
Inti 22 bet no yen kwa any betting company a yewo Ghana ha say a ye ma bonus just for registration.
Wow.
Yes, why register keke no ye be ma 22 cedis.
Okay.
Nti ye fe no GU 22. Yen kwa na yes ade no. Why register ye no be a deposit here. Automatically. We use promo code
22 no.
Who dey try bet.
Asa we
ni. Time we ni. Your friend GU 22. But say we use promo code. Nti say who share sisi ana pese we use sa promo which means 22 Ghana. 22 as in figure 22 any
22.
Yes, any Ghana.
Okay.
GHANA. Any case sensitive into wait me about capital and small letters.
Okay.
Also ebia wa register that nti say registration bonus na ebia we nya bi. Yes, no problem. Say be your first depositor and you say be ma bonus.
Yeah.
Bonus no so ye be ma wakwenya we be choose nia wo pe sports bonus wo di be twa normal games. Ananso say wo pe casino bonus wo be three aviator. Person on fentry aviator yen kwa na yes ah.
Okay.
Aha. And to say na minimum kind you 100% with free bet. Nti ochina match no a single bet nti ebia obese wontwa ne kese. Why deposit 500 cedis. Wo di egu ebia Madrid e chi say Madrid be wini. Dortmund Arsenal now. Yes, we need problem. You have 500 cedis as free bet. Bet me they redeem you. And another thing, yes, answer here. So, can say your customer support no, and your AI. Okay. Say be owa, person only customer support and you come na robots na only need come. Yeah, say that be correct. Nipa na only omudin come. And yes, answer wo platforms be your live chat, your phone call, bet me affair also your WhatsApp. Your Telegram, your Twitter, Facebook, nina. O buy a wa, you beat me, I am out. And a Friday, so everyone say, untumi mba ti Havana, embe share, ebi a wo kumasi water crade, untumi mba. But if you be a uni DSTV, I still person on share match no. You see kwa website and so. Ukwa ebe ma live coverage, beat me share match in live.
Oh, chamba show mo
site. Yeah, tie pa.
Okay.
Big matches ni most of the big matches ni na beat me share in live. Or data and kwanda beat me share in live. Okay. Or into 22 bets no, ye different pa ya ba so ama aboys no. Ya ba ma investors ni na.
Kojo.
Say them the best also ni say or see different. Different ni nyekwa.
Okay.
So one person who say different pa ye we betting company be no a ye we season a watching nko for your mother.
Yeah.
But this week among too many social media ye chiska.
Wow.
Your friend fan so you see a final we in preparation. Ti a check 30k 50 Tuesday. You announce was sempa anopa Tuesday anopa no.
Yeah.
Ti you start Tuesday no. Tuesday you check 10k.
Okay.
Wednesday you check 10k. Indra you check 10k. Ene you check back with
friend. Me denya.
Yeah, friend back with Papa Cabra tema. Eno na ne
Okay. Fafa Cabra.
Ti Havana.
Yeah. They do my transportation there pa.
Easy.
Business transportation is saying.
Na me ba be
about 200 cedis.
Because about the move
Africa so kan e ba krasa na ko ba be do.
Yeah, about 2 cedis. Uwie oba so wie na wo koso a ye be san so ya ye be san so do akofi.
Ye be ba say free.
Yes. Ye no. Ya ba ma investors. E mo de pa
22 bet. So mo mo ni mbre.
It's we have fun say. Me let me download bibi.
Your apps no e Play Store any App Store nyina nti wo kwa na wa download
22 bet.
O person abetumi akọ platform no so we hu link no ho na o type app no so na e do be call straight to the
Play Store
App Store no na wa download in simple.
Oh, okay.
And the platform so so fair, user friendly. E so enye basa bia to say baby a o hwehweti
no the most beautiful platform in the world.
Okwa obe wan kasa obe
feel difficult say.
Oh, user friendly.
Navigation.
Very user friendly.
Easy navigation. To be able to enjoy it.
Eh, say no china e bi wom. To learn friends am see you there.
Your best answer to check nyoma.
Me search the my brother say travel
some say yeah. Into be changes. So e bi won mo ni jesi. Am ba be jesi.
O china na ye twa. Cause ye be di. especially more team back on.
Sure.
Omedi.
Botin ni
so omo be trade. Omo no trade no. Mo say mo je kesi kabra tema. No wi a wasa di no. O se saje kesi kabra enkran.
Ai. Yes, that's what chew nyoma.
See me so ba obeju eni be no no. Be nti e be chew ntade a be she 22 bet ntade e be chew ogisi e be chew eche e be ma bottle. Be games Ochina the one by the way on
Ochina ye short. Why? Kwa me das. Seven be kai. So 22 Ghana limited dey be naka.
Okay. Okay, nti mama kan no fancy. The number Ochina we na won be tell him o ti avana ni enjaule.
Okay.
On care amake on ameba. O fe ni bi plenty. Ameba.
You la say ti Ochina yina ye share e wo ti Havana. Na yakwa kutwe bet papa ya ebele 22 bet Ghana and ochina ishia oti avare ba isi na afi ye de ekwotwe na aka na beto asan be ka se be so be no mot nko ade a ya nya wo jeje kan why ya nya wo jeje kan the motor Guinness makacho se emu aye de papa o je se na woda na yi nti ni obi na penny actually sa eye but a drew we are na bogidigidi ampase ya achele ne kakra because jeje kan no say a free kakra bi e kana ogu mu no watim say yes ade papa e ko ni padwem supermarket bi abeko bi ansa e be ka bi ato ye ba ese ade ko kese no abeto aso e bra say pese mu e beto aso e de abamo ene ye ba twen komo e de afa adwadie ene emfidiyuma asoeye Trade and Industry Ministry use verse na kakra bi entem ne nkomo a ye nyina de ya no ayedu oyedwam the rate at which anema bo e cost ye mam amanfo su kam se de bie be kodwam bia ne atoto ne mabum amre bim kura so mo no mo ekrumu kura nyantokwa because wa ha me yo so yire ebu fortunately for us your deputy minister for trade and industry the new Patriotic Party member of Parliament, Madisha, won New Jabin South, and also the parliamentary candidate for 2024 elections for New Jabin South, Michael Ochribefi, of Jimmy Bechi, and Enkomo. On a community, so you're in charge of industries. Teneche will be a Kumono, Abefa. Oboko, dear.
Boko Mira, now where
Yamiado,
if you dear,
if you Boko, Ministry Boko, dear.
Yamiado,
constituency she
we are trusting God nyame any edini ye pa
okay
so far Radio Adom ye yente boni bia
with a straight jacket and motobi ministry to the afa edwedefo how
yo dedi kan me da se be me den cha kese ma motiefo ene mo panifo mo hwe fidie so ana sanso ana me cha me krom kufuri afo nyina Iti pa ani kufudi afo nyame ahira mu a mo bibi nnwuma ema kufudi afo ni binya biye nyame nhira safo ni na chiamo nyame nhira mo na nyame ntum nsem se de be ambunya ska bibre ni mo bie nnwuma no matetrim na kufudi afo nya biaye na kufudi tumpon question na obisa me no efa nyema mo edin kakao kana megidi se didi kan I say say Ghana ye can we singing now. Okay. Over the period, no, for some time now, and nema e mo tahwe we are singing kakra. Me can say enunti ye be fa ye hwadi baby. But just Ghana ye can e we are sick enyina ho. And a community or committee of nations ye can ho. Nti bibia e be to obi baby no timi e ho from atibi bobaye. Yeah. Tia kasa bia se America for omo hwinsia ye eti anu ne bia na yenya eti paye na yenya cold yeah enti se wote Ghana ha na hu sa na so didika wote se Ghana kan wiase nyina ho na ye wo wiase no bi na ye ka kura wo wiase mo ti no ye susa ne ma na ebi tutu ye enti na ma ni memo ye dikakra de tosme no Mijiri se ye nyina enim de asisi wo nsuo so krobim te se Yemen wo nsuo o da ma ye se ebia nka enema yebetimi de afia brochira ba Ghana ebia
6 weeks. Now what you mean in Sia, Nankademana be do Ghana no. If you say be take about 3 months. Because of the situation I work. Once the first power could Dubai crab by air, Nanka, you go straighter, na about 7 hours.
Yeah.
But I say some almost chin coffee for chen. It be a South Sudan issues in tea. Into mo for baby. Na I'm a to na and we with asem. But me can't ship I find him about one so. And no can be and I'm a nema my thing. Because say anka I will say a nema yedi fear buchriba ebedu Ghana ha na ye 6 weeks. Then you go on wire na kokoye 3 months and I say it just say freight charges are transportation and make ebekosro.
Yeah.
Ekosro omo de nema ne ba no. Omo be ka nema no ebo no because otuani do say de ka nema no bo no. Ama consumer no final consumer no ne ho akochere no kan bi. Ene bio Ghana so see how we there Ghana the population no class it's a percentage of the population also your taste for foreign goods is akosoro.
Yeah.
And also another thing to was that first pan maybe Ghana you na pese talk konum da bia no pa.
Yeah.
Is it da bia pese ko to ye to duane ai bia efie bruchiba. Ya ye e ha. Your taste for foreign and also ama Sani man to Yantiama.
I who even a report to be a MSBA last week, which is saying 64% of Africans love Africa, but only 14% pen say to African.
That's the truth now. In Ghana, importation of foreign goods have become at the end of the day now. Want me and yeah, try through the interventions idea, but say be a 1D one of a policy idea, but you try say and then you set up industries. I organ ha. I be near ma and it be competing with temperature near mano. And think of be air train eba. I be told them wa. And yes, sir, the baby prefer some better in nema ewe butchaba. And also ema nema ebo kosoro. This is some of the things we member also who now and yes, a ministry transit. Medical culture say ministry where ministry a ready any fidujuma and some so. Yen transit kase enema ebo kosoro into be transit ahwedi. They also say ye bia wo kire no abang through the Ministry of Trade and Industry. Yeah.
Okay. So until dwadini a wo tie me no won hwese de na abang through the ministry. So
no abang the friend who say ye wo institutionalized program I friend public-private dialogue. I afibia. Okay. And they say no some kra. Okay. That's some I say now we want to treat it different in a different way. Sa public-private dialogue na Okay. Private institutions and I say private investors and businessmen omne abanshia edin komo na afadwen. They say the Ministry of Finance in Hua Jimbi. Oh, okay. Yina ye bumaye. And the article last week, 24th May, one meeting at Labadi Beach Hotel. It was so phenomenal. It went so well. I mean, it me Edwin Jane Yahoo. Ye business no ebe count bluntly. The here and facey challenges facey with the taxman, challenges facey with other investigative institutions or investigations and other audits module when and how we can also maximize resources in the name of taxation. So we get to be Ministry of Finance and Minister of Finance, the original Ministry of Finance and name Atikobi me Dr. Mpabi or Deputy Minister for Finance, you be a co-chair of that committee. On the ease of doing business. So the be a JD any in Kitaudia private sector no one ebe koso. Okay. Now it's not going to be a yearly routine, but be a monthly. Meaning say every month we should be to meet. Na in fact we hu mu share ntiom how na yen try say be solve problems amom. We ebe boama edwedie ene the juma koso. We be boama obi a onti bi asibiti ebisa. We be boa ama bayet mi ehu they also ye ne de boa dwedifo e ma dwedi koso se de be o mbe han hu se dwedi ankoso ama nipa mu di dwa ho ahehan omo a ebe affect timemfo ko timemfo ne ebe nyam ho faso to enti esa be affect omo so a ultimately ebe affect aban no and that's not what we want as a government. The Biamika say the intentions of government is not, I mean, to suppress businesses. Nya buying ebutaye and trim poro. A buying trim upon yes of my jumen in a goo, of my jumen in a watcher, of my jume be out down na yes and a buying trim upon. A buying trim upon of my jumen in a coso. Obama discussion jumum, or many juman, or beyond juman and faso. Okay. What we call returns on or return on investment. Okay. They'll be able to get very good returns on.
The entry must say, sir, meetings here, ebe kosibit mi abuama. Some time to come, no. Sound ye here, a good phone ye na, ye did your way for no.
Government is doing everything possible. That's the ultimate intention. No, yeah. So buying a baby in the one, a manco for. You buying the roadmap you have to go. Okay. In the area of taxation, for example, so buying say a port system. You say one-stop shop. Okay. You share Ghana Revenue Authority for Chinching. So when you say the bear near Bitia Koswa will be enko for hanko. A buying soup as a share Ghana Revenue Authority for and then conform the Kahua Omune Ghana Revenue Authority for ye Juma Bois. He did the infidel say. Ye nyama o port we are na ye hwene mani nyina we be 2 weeks ne hu se onipa we were trying to do to NBB we na o tu ne car fi port ho obi a han rokom bio.
Okay, so this issue about say mababa yi menema e port me the free tema e kokumase e kwanti fi no masako share the same custom for na hwehwe menema mo port
ne asa yi menema
nyina go from ebi no mabie
aban nhye dia bazisia na NCBO. She new one idea bad last week. Minister for Finance, the Minister for Trade and Industry, or yes, our dialogue way. Yenina ba afadwin say that is not the way to go. Okay. Well, we ma ededie enkoso. San say onipa akranema ona obi akranema febucha ba ana say waton nema aba na Ghana Revenue Authority for at the bay 1 week. Ayi nema na hwem and say nema odi ba eni we or see what you say, obey say. Why is any money in every Ghana Revenue Authority for passing and said now you can leave?
Yeah.
Okay. Now Pico no bisako hand or coin. So like I said, a buying is being insensitive to the trader or to the importer. Esa emma unipeni jeep kwaso obey business. Because the second koko shesa anymore. Yeah. They're not obey business to you. And until buying Edison share abano.
Me mean meeting na customs for come because I quite remember say some time ago me share custom penny for no almost so can you say on person ye double check. Emi who say checks na ye or port one na it would you near mass or the free etema akokoma no. Eye pepepe. Anything so be do one more. On person yi near many nyina edigu one. Custom for na tia say sa afraid ya jet to say my man telling you
Ghana Revenue Authority custom for ka.
Yeah.
Ena ye nim bibeba enche bia ye be mankofo nyina well the fear na ye won ye omo use Ghana as a landlocked country.
Yes.
And as omo ye transit point e dey akono ena ye fear ni say bia onima na kwa na instead of so the nima ni kobo never so no no aton Ghana ha. That is the fear. And I say mfanse or ye free zones company for example now we yinima no or your commercial business under free zones. Maybe also they call saying port, the port of entry. Maybe or the name call Gonochrome, or they call Sampa, or they call Flower Border, or Cotton as a free zones company. But none man could do na ya tongue and as a tongue. And the na customs for the person who say, and then man call and pass no one the womb.
Okay.
See that these are some of the things.
Yeah.
But note say, Ningine Ministry of Trade through one of our agencies and as a lead divisions of business regulatory reforms. Omu ye ni be brave bu amanko fo ham business.
Yeah.
Ye ni be brave. Eni me bia e BRR for no ye ni be automation of the courts in Ghana district court for example. So the be adjudication of cases be ententem.
Okay.
Because when uye juma na there's conflict, ewo juma meka uye juma na say unya problem bi ekwa na kokota. Court nko abetimi adibe ababe 3-4 years, 5 years.
Awa samba ko.
Na enka se me businessman no onye very comfortable in that situation. Until now, through BRI, Ministry of Trade and Industry, somebody can say, court, automatic courts, so that they will all become, automated. Okay. And the permit systems, permit institutions, they say, Lands Commission, they say, permits, fire service, agencies are. The permits agencies are my permits with the these agencies we are born them. So the business will become so easy to do in Ghana, and they will also become more friendly. Because we are Jumana said a Jumano Ghana for no money Juma home fast one or money just say Omo Juma Omunya home fast one or money just say and yet change them our one shame.
Minister, more crowd of cement manufacturers from.
Cement manufacturing, we meet them as often as possible. Note, say, one will say, ministry, no, you trap them and take decisions.
Okay.
We have meetings with all agencies and as a private institutions and associations are like GUTA, Association of Ghana Industry, Ghana Chamber of Commerce, all these agencies and institutions we meet them from time to time. Asia, Chamber of Cement Manufacturers, we share. As a matter of fact, lead you in the promulgation of the law for the first time in the history of Ghana, Yamama Cement Act.
Okay.
So that and never be kosu ye ama cement industry no. Inti yes market access free free trade. You want to do you can detect your own stuff. Right. So you decide to somehow in quote Ghana for minute so and no abang to be transfer sa.
But almost the man on the
yenim Ghana yenye clinker wa ha. Clinker ni yeno. You hear a capacity beyond the bit clinker.
Okay.
Because even in the sub-region, with the clinker in Nigeria, Nigeria for Togo, or more limestone be brave.
Okay.
Because a Juma be Yanson up there, a clinker no. Ghana, you need a capacity no in cement manufacturing. People do. And you talk clinker if you're butchery near the bar. But the limestone a crack or Topalu or Ghana, you for. Yede ka ho ne de omode ye cement yen ka say munyina ho tom because clinker no import wa obetua duties also ye woni me bi o ma ye say ye free so I am Minister of Finance egusu di nkomo de den say eni me bi a ewo taxes bi a any fees bi a ewo ba bi o clinker no ye free o say the be a cement for no betom.
Okay. Na amane bo na ba for
di ntina e ma act no ye mom act said be ya betimi and what term in doing business. Now for the first time in the history of Ghana, cement, we have strict regulations. A regular cement. You cannot just stand up and come and set up cement company or Ghana have you a first, obetian sorry, uncrobia. Not the occupy EP say on measure my own say hoye. And no uncrobia, no, ibetian is a cement company, a chum. A BC bill or Ghana. Opa say uye cementa just a fam bra kwan so ye yate abinyoku amenyo ba sonko bia o mo hwe sa ade so o ma ho certificate and license to operate. So first you need a license to you need a license to set up a cement manufacturing company. Set up.
Okay.
Then you also need a license to manufacture cement. Two things. And the first now be sorry I say I say and the cement company we see
Minister Mebana ya ba share cement for na because is a man for is the year so high down so no inferior for the buy come cement bo cost rent dan dan na to na to rent him e ba say na beto was mula bre as boys be kakra go motom na mo so afile ba yesi ne abetoa enkomade so de ni T Havana ochna anopa UEFA Champions League final no eba so kai se sika osika onye twa nkwan dia obedi yaka cho say nipa 4 ebe wini 20,000 cedis ochna obia 5,000 cedis each 5,000 cedis each sebebinti uni akra uni tema now outside these regions na wotimi ma obetimi ahwene fie on Adom TV and on so betimi wini between 500 cedis to 5,000 Ghana cedis to ochna daraje ni foso memfa enye agudie kura ochna memfa nye agudie na make sure say oduhu ehiem na nye twankwan de a obedi happy birthday nko and for my prophet akwasi boate Assemblies of God so for kese ba ko pa papa nyankopon wonhyira na onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa nyame kosoma na adom no enhyren ewo woso. Then also a very good morning to the Chief Executive Officer Edema Ice Food. KB, fantastic guy by all standards. Fantastic guy by all standards. Also nyame nhyira any Ice Food. Who storage me for enyira onso wo tema. Edama sisama jebre na mo hwe bedwam ne anopai. So still on seat Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry. Member of Parliament Madesha New Job in South Constituency in the Eastern Region, Michael Ochre Befi. So Minister, we are wrapping up on the cement so it says entumuni nyamaye. Discussion with me abwama entumuni ahodu onana.
Ye gusu de. Ye gusu we are seriously engaging them. Ye gusu pa. Ye try say ombeti ase. Nombeti Ghana for ase. Nombe hu se eni omo na ye adwuma. Okay. Say the makano obi and this guy be show man no your business or a private person or your business. You me and yen chin say you see.
Okay.
Or ye juma or mem nenso or mine no emuno. Obey you juma way and you for the bedjuma. I will say a buano no ye money ye.
Yeah.
On my and cough on one chair or mumu.
Okay.
Indeed, I will say na tear once. Ye tear once then we can converge at the point of a boy in no bia kufia and yaji. Okay. That's exactly what we're doing now.
This issue about is companies are relocated from Ghana. Ministry officially, munyan krata bi esa. Na mo bisem di entia no kra omoko.
Yo, me that's bebre. We makasa ho bebre for some time now or other stations on my bisame ho asem. And ya can say some of them advertise your intentions. They have advertised their intentions. Say, yeah, omunya person feel men.
Okay.
Reasons on my man varied reasons. Ebi, I say, ebi a man know the ease of doing business. Some more issues and yet too conducive, mom. Ebi said they are not being competitive in business. Ebi no say, or more company policy. It just say, or more corporate policy. Or say, ebi a one person be what ebi Africa view. No person be work West Africa bio nti e bia nya Ghana pe no mu fia ana ebinom so de no e bia na o kan ekosibia bia but any am you know set ase change is inevitable e we ase.
Okay.
Well, as much as I buy e ire ne ho say ye ne safo ya o madwen say o mbe kono de o madi kan ko.
Okay.
You say we say be more.
Yeah.
Omo relocated that. And as we fee on but omo your madwin say omunya ombe free mono. We are still engaging them.
Okay.
Some of them you know we kram adwena sesa. E bi ho so a omo kyan de ntia om person moko. But ni nyina mu say be kan no eye e ma oman no. Say oman no e oman a yesu e develop.
Okay.
And he say ye wo sa space mo abeda ho to say bakwa efi oman na we create space bi ama oman no mpebe bo edwan ni din.
Okay.
We create business vacuum bi ama Ghana phones it was how business ni bi wom.
Okay.
So now it gives Ghanaians the opportunity also to build their capacity so they be ombetia a vacuum, which is good for us as a country. Okay. We are not against foreign direct investment and asking go for baby and because mostly developing countries say Ghana no foreign direct investment and Ghana and humanity because omo no ba with big capital, I mean investment. Inti obi bate MTN e baga na be adwuma omo diska kese ba. Telecel omo ba omo diska kese ba. Inti obi apenesa but omo ni ho a na Ghana fo bitimi so yebeti develop omo capacity to take care of the vacuum normal creating now. It's good for the country.
So about one shape to help Ghana for no monso a similar product. We say ombetimi abomati mi afhele that vacuum.
The essence of a new arrangement are buying the SME growth support are buying Chibia.
Okay.
Program be are buying the no. A buying program they say ye pese ye transitive fee baby e bi maybe a Chibia ombeti e kese pa no. Ye bo mom to be kese.
Okay.
Oh mine. Chances have for no e be ye kese a ombe bo man ni e woni bebre mu one e wo a total taxes.
Yeah.
Ombe create a lot of employment among Ghana for omo nyedwuma ye. Nti aban botaye ene se ebe boa edwuma ache saa omotimi etimi abebe hye space a sankofo no eja to no.
Okay.
Nti me kan abisi se enye aban de sankofo eko anamu film.
Okay.
Anaso omadwen so mpese moko.
Okay.
So bi kaka omadwen no aban ye no engage some of them matiase take retractor mo decision na mo yesom ombekono ena ebi nso wo ha eyema yen asoman pese atiase sa cause oman bia no pese omunipa omunyin no mo yekese.
Okay.
When we have businesses local investment scan nyi park kese a scan nya be come mo
sure
yen repetitive profit bia nko ba bia ba jonte ase se Ghana ninye ska bebri na Ghana ninye ska nyina atrangana ha usiri dan a odninga o Ghana ha eda ne nko ba bia bio onya profita haye no ska no bidi no odbo ne bra enti emeska ka omanim man no etibi tumpon kese enti de ohoro o sasem we.
Okay, so enti etimi a convince bi mo motimi aka omo ko no so de omoko but the concerns no omo ekono erezi no. How are you dealing with those concerns? Because minister there because Aban say no. GIP is social mass.
There be almost shares almost so
yeah, almost so do mankasa. Now also will start fighting say because say so adwuma to bring in more foreign direct investment. Most person mo boy yes, foreign direct investment but by especially boy local industries no. And so musu etimi etu
men can say against foreign direct investment. As a matter of fact, no country in this part of the world can grow develop so well without foreign direct investment. Okay. And we have big businesses because foreign direct investments, you know, eba even say initial capital on the grant system, we have money.
Yeah.
And the amount of money not to be naso.
Okay.
Wow. It will be a pesa for.
Okay.
It ye bought oma account buying. So the enter me say a buying ayire no ho asa ye bi share ebinum kakra bia Oma advertising on intentions say okay yen so yinya be next year yinya be ko.
Okay.
Ne aban say no yen tia se ne hwe de ntia e bi almost say the ease of doing business and na last week 24th May aban a share private sector ye share the diplomatic corps community no omo nyina ka ho diplomatic communities so ye share omo nyina ene omo nyina fa adwin say ene omo kire omo adwin ne ema omo companies omo ha omo person ko. Any companies na watching my dreams say na high and yes you yate in come any mu diwo kokwa no yate de mo kan enipa mu so yate
okay
de be ne say ye be boa mo ama mo watomo
okay
enti ye nyina ya agree say this ne ya e ma ye ho atoyin
okay
enu na ban efiase ye.
What's the state of one district one factory?
One district one factory the kind who say one district one factory no a private sector-led initiative for government. Okay. Government's interest in 1D, 1F no, only for facilitation. I buy bois, kofo, multiple B1D, 1F companies. But a private sector there, into 1D, 1F and a one district, one factory no, enya Benjuma.
Okay.
Yintiri, enya Benjuma, a private sector-led initiative.
Okay.
And a private sector-led initiative no, and a 1D, 1F no, it can be in twofold and branches, two branches. One, greenfield businesses. Greenfield businesses, the business you started from the scratch.
Okay.
Maybe a near take acquisition business venture and adventures. Now, almost year manufacturing of this from the scratch.
Okay.
And yes, some brownfield businesses are existing businesses are maybe almost that, but either they are in crisis and they want to come back to business, and I say almost expand it into when give you almost expand. No,
yeah,
they can. We can use that as 1D 1F also for support.
Okay,
that's how the 1D 1F works. Okay. By the grace of God, so far no, we have almost about 321 1D 1F companies at various stages of implementation. Okay. Ghana. 321 321 companies. At various stages of implementation. Ghana. Okay. And under the 1D 1F initiative. 321 no 169 completed projects. We are for year.
Okay, so no green and brown in every count.
Yes, both.
Okay.
Both brownfield and greenfield.
Okay, to be one more, almost starting from the scratch. And Omunya 1D 1F support.
That's right.
And a bemusu brown. So bet him the Casapreco company limited a
brownfield company.
So I'm so buying M1 the extension.
And you know 1D 1F now buy what Nema a Yemasa for.
Okay.
I buy facilitation in business. Yes, say Ebia Ubeso starting business, Ebia greenfield business.
Okay.
Ultimate Yeska Uniska person for consultant.
Yeah.
I'll bet your business proposal amount. It's a buy me consultant.
Okay.
No, wow. I'm why Ojmanina. Ebio, ya Jew to me now, but yeah. Ebia will say, Uniska be Edmano. What idea about Uniska? Into Pelon. I buying young 1D 1F for the Ministry of Trade and Industry.
Yeah.
Any banks be I arrangements, ya partnership I from participating financial institutions, PFIs.
Okay.
So participating financial institutions we know. Omne 1D 1F alcabom say yebeboa companies are omnis company omo fee 1D 1F ase.
Okay.
Enti say we 1D 1F company na yamao company we be banks we be so banks them wow. Aban say yembo ebetimi aboa on say bank ne beji interest 10 cedis. E was come the mouse wa aban be for half 5 cedis. No aban many half amount. Now so 1 minute kakraka.
Okay.
Inti se de be ya obi an betono in business.
Motis as we say man for see your 1D 1F over 100 companies but you feel the impact.
You feel it pa na make a show. Say, see bad for the 1D 1F companies, some of them Agebianka and nema kwa koso kese pa sin se de boa koso kese pa si de huno. That's the truth. Some of the 1D 1F companies and nema mo ye no. O kona ko hu nema mo ye na. You would think that maybe I never knew about.
Okay.
And we are getting these things in Ghana.
But I'm price not to say.
Because there's no see, yeba automotive I met it to Asembia. One say because 1D 1F companies no and business production of Ghana, manufacturing of Ghana. So import event say and never
yeah.
You import by raw materials.
Okay.
And ebia machinery and baby production.
Okay.
So machinery and raw material for production no. Aban in the policy no. Aban say with many exemptions also. They will get tax release.
Yeah.
So they be ometi dia ba abebi. You know, so when you tax reliefs also.
Yeah.
And exemptions was not their ba. No or baby any business ah. Ohia autonomy and nebo bearing. Offer tax beyond to so
because me the automobile industry no.
Automobile industry India, Amama Ghana, ye tuahu. Yes, I can.
Yes, you start to say, yeah, assemble cars for Ghana, no. Because you still be complaining, cars board thing, cars board thing.
What we are not seeing, no.
Okay.
And the day one go phone here.
Okay, any day.
And say, see, the automotive development policy now, yeah, running Ghana had. It's so nice. So can afford your mushroom year, but boy, till now some of the OEMs crampo yejuma direct or Ghana, like original equipment manufacturers to be almost yejuma.
Okay.
Like Ghana, say Volkswagen,
yeah.
VW. Till Ghana, Afibia, about 100,000 vehicles import 100,000 vehicles.
Brand new vehicles.
Both brand new and second.
Home used, okay.
But it's brand new 30%. Okay. And it's second. Used vehicles, be about 70%. Now, these vehicles, when second vehicles no dosu.
Yeah.
And now maybe a bit tumpo, ubia, unya, abranti, babawa, ura fefe, cratchy, ubia percent or drive brand new cars.
Yeah.
Till, yeah, cars were gonna have Volkswagen, VW, omo car were gonna have Peugeot, omo car were gonna assemble, all bit they are doing basic semi-knockdown manufacturing were gonna have.
Okay.
But everyone wanna conform, so because kids on the bottom, I buy more exemptions was so job the bar. Omo manufacture car na car ne bo be mre. It sounds like a brand new car.
Okay.
It is some papa. It you ko na se ope cars, light trucks e dey here e be a co-store. O dey na uko runner motors. Omo ye omo assemble a shock Leyland trucks.
Okay.
Oh. Na ukwa. It just say omo kit a omo di fear bruche bar e be ye car no. Omo ntua tax bi wo so nti. Nti emma bo no cost from nti sebia okoto VW na brand new na importo eba brand new VW auto fit Germany no e be cost so 20 cities a dey Ghana na be cost so be 10 cities and 15 cities
and commodity dollars you say the deputy minister sa babiem ni aba beto aso ni ahwe so far send your monkomodi a wodo mo ne adwadfo no edi ne kode fab ko e dey to ade e wodwem e dey e pe nyina ne se ye maame a wo ne enua no se be kodwum na ne mabo be fom eti so mugu so ni adwadfo ne won na ye ne ma o ye mamu atwenko ne be sa babiem ni aba be hwe se e bi aba se 3-4 months in terminal e hu sunsun aso no eti se ona be da se
nyame hira mo
ba so jobre e be kan
that's pa
Michael Wachirebe for Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry, Member of Parliament Madeshe or New Javan South constituency meeting the Akwesi Asia. You ever said Asia background.